Hey everyone, this is Josh from JoshBuilds, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a dual-barreled rocket pistol. To start this build off, we're going to get a sheet of cardboard and we're going to start by cutting out the frame of the gun. Now I'm going to get a piece of copper pipe and I'm going to cut it slightly longer than the frame of the gun. This copper pipe is going to serve as the barrel of our rocket pistol. I'm going to put a hole through these 4 pieces of cardboard. This is going to serve as a point of rotation in the gun. Now when we build the handle of the gun will be able to rotate up and down, which will help us load and unload the gun. I have these 2 rare earth magnets here. I'm going to put one on the top side and one on the bottom side of the barrel of the gun here, and this will basically make it so that we can snap the gun up, but when we push it back down, it stays in its position. Each of the copper pipes needs to be closed off, so for that I'm going to use the copper cap that you can find at the hardware store where you buy the copper pipe from. Now this here is the rocket engine I got from my local hobby store. I'm going to put the igniter into it, and this is going to be basically used to fire the rocket. I stick it through the copper cap here, and as you can see, I have the popsicle stick on it so that it does not short out against the copper. We can put the rockets into the copper pipe, and then we are going to just put something over them. In this case it'll be cardboard just to hold them together so they operate and move as a unit. Now we're going to make the inside of the handle of the gun. For this we will need a 9-volt battery. This will supply us the power to ignite the rockets. Now we're going to need 2 buttons as well, which will serve as our triggers. Now we're going to need a couple springs. These will go on top and these will serve as contacts to touch the igniters of the rocket engine. Now we just have to wire everything together. And as you can see, when we go ahead and press one of the buttons down, 9 volts goes to the springs. Now we can slide this in the back of the rocket gun and make sure that the springs will contact the igniters. Now I'm going to add the frontal cone onto the rocket engines, and then we can go ahead, put it in the gun and test it out. That, wow, it's not a very straight gun. Yeah. So after the second set of tests, you can see that the rockets don't fire very straight. So now I'm going to go back to the drawing board and add some fins onto the rocket. And then I'll fold those fins in so that they fit in the tube. Now let's test it out. I only have one rocket engine left, so we'll see how it goes.
Yep.
Thanks for watching to the end of my video. If you want to help support this channel so I can make more cool videos like this, I have a Patreon page, so you can check that out. And on my Patreon page, I'll be posting things like the electrical schematic to this and a bunch of my other projects. So definitely check it out if you want to sponsor the channel. Also, just a heads up, I'm going to be coming out with a robotics course into the summer, so look out for that. I'll be teaching you guys stuff like Arduino and how to do a lot of projects like the stuff I do. So if you're interested in that, make sure to look out for it. It'll be out in the summer. Thanks for watching, guys.